Guys, you can see the ranks and entertainment and say your time. This is the exchange, the state, this is a 16 time RA shrinks. Okay, as well. And correct. I like the academics for the detective target. Okay, that and the strengths I got arranged and the banks. So the grain that so let's go into this. It's like just gonna go together since I had some edit to those things and this could be it didn't. So take the knife, so and then okay, thanks. Alright. Thanks for that. Seems like it isn't fair. Okay. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. Oh, potentially. Okay. Okay, so I got some that takes a creative things. That train. It's still going. And then got the sinks itself. Sinks then you can take that safe for now. That's why I got doing the decks. So okay, side and the shrinks. Okay. Okay. That's deck. Okay. And got the deck. I'm going right. I'm going back the strengths. I'm doing. What's that? But I don't have a character right. So that's all right. I do get that the diagram. We do get okay. So this is like the same like 16 and I take the okay goes around and like the diagram like the 16 15 16 like the tights everything. So that's alright. Right. So I'm going to set things up and Bye guys. Take care, I think. And so for guys, get the day rank, and can I get the legendary and yeah, it's a type. That's right. I think the guy that so you don't get legendary feather. So I could get that if we do that. So, thanks. Get that thing.